So we're gonna do a side plank with an oblique challenge. So you're gonna press all the way up. Take your weight, you're gonna reach it straight up towards the ceiling. As you hold your side plank, you're going to exhale as you lower that weight to parallel with the floor. Exhale to lift it back up. As that weight comes forward, hips have a tendency to want to sit back. Don't let that happen. Press them forward, keep them there while the arm challenges you throughout. All right, for your step up, take one leg. You're going to drive through that heel as you exhale to stand tall. Inhale as you slowly lower back down with control to return. With your incline plank, so you're going to start with both of your feet together. Hands are going to be shoulder distance apart. You're going to start by inhaling first, exhale. You're going to tap a foot out to the side, bring it back in, tap as you exhale, and move the foot out to the other side. As you alternate here, be thoughtful that the rest of your body again is staying nice and quiet at your start position as you move. If as you move that foot out, you're noticing a lot of rotation, just move the foot out as far as you can, maintaining that neutral spine. And as you get stronger, then you'll be able to move the foot out further. So dynamic lateral lunge, you're gonna inhale here, exhale, sit back. Inhale there, exhale, press up to return. So again, exhale, inhale, exhale to power back up. Goblet lunge, you're gonna start with the weight at your chest, you're gonna step back, lower down, exhale to step forward. Inhale to lower down, exhale to step forward.